guys, welcome back. This is just a video we're doing basically without planning. So we've just finished an audio install in this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Spider. And after completing it, one of the lads said, you know what, all of our videos are on normal Huracans. We've never done a Spider, so why not do a video? So here we are. So I just want to talk you through what we've done on this Huracan. So the owner of this car approached us because the Lamborghini Huracan doesn't sound very nice. We've done a few TikToks and people have commented saying, you know, never going to get one sounding nice and all sorts, but you're clearly wrong. I mean, if you've got a Lamborghini Huracan, you know the stock system is pants. What we've done in this car and all the Lamborghinis we've done is an unreal upgrade, and I honestly, genuinely believe, pound for pound, it will probably outperform most people's systems that they're fitting. I know companies that are charging double what we're doing this system for, and I've heard some of these cars at shows, and they don't sound a patch on what this car sounds like. So what have we done in this car? So the first requirement for this owner was everything had to be OEM. So he didn't want to see anything, didn't want any extra subwoofers. That's the first question I always ask Lamborghini owners. Are you happy putting an external sub in? Because if they are, it almost changes the way we do the system in the car. This guy's, nope, don't want a subwoofer, so not a problem at all. So what we've done in this car is we've actually used Helix speakers in the car and a Helix DSP amplifier. So before we do anything, the most crucial step in a car audio system is actually sound deadening. You know, I got asked the other day, speaker or sound deadening? Sound deadening, 100%, because sound deadening, for what you spend, makes a huge difference. And also, if you put a decent set of speakers without sound deadening, it's a waste of time. So we've comprehensively sound deadened both of the front doors in this car. So we've done the outer skin, the middle skin, and then we foamed it all as well. So there is literally zero rattles from the door. And when you close the doors, you can actually tell you've had something done because it closes with a nice heavy thud. So comprehensive sound deadening's gone into both front doors. We've then utilized in the doors the Helix i7 8-inch drivers. So the i7, Helix have got a range called the Compose where they do a basic i3, i5 and i7. i7 is what I have in my XM. I've never actually used the i7 8s until this job. And i7 basically utilizes a lot of technology from Brax, which is Audio-Tech Fisher's top-end brand. And I kid you not, those 8s in this car sound amazing. They sound phenomenal. They sound really, really, really good. So we've got the Helix i7 8s in the doors. We will overlay images as I'm going along. And then we've gone for the i5 tweeters. The i5 tweeters, new i5 tweeters, a lot of people said, why not i7? A was the budget, the price point we were working at, and B, the i5s, I think pound for pound, are probably one of the best sounding tweeters around in their price bracket. I don't think anything in that price bracket will come near them. We've just done another Lamborghini which had full i5s, but it had an external sub, and I was so happy with these tweeters. So the tweeters and the 8-inch drivers in the doors have all gone in our custom 3D printed speaker collars. So we 3D print everything in-house. So we've designed and 3D printed the adapters for the tweeters and the 8s, and they've gone in stock locations. You can't tell they're there, they look completely stock. And everything can be fully reversed as well. So if the chap wants to reverse this back to stock, not a problem at all. The factory speakers and tweeters in this car are literally out of like an Audi A3, I'm sure they are. So they're very cheap speakers. I mean, the actual 8s that were in the doors, they are ridiculously cheap paper cone speakers with tiny little magnets. So okay, front's been done. We've then used one of the brand new Helix Amplify 206 DSP amplifiers. So they've got a new range of amplifiers. So this is a 6-channel amplifier, and how we've run this system is fully active. So channels 1 and 2 are in the tweeters on top of the dash. 3, 4 is bridge running one door. 5, 6 is bridge running the other door. Lots and lots of power, plenty of power going to these speakers. If you do buy one of these amps, the bridge channels can only be run at 4 ohms, so just bear that in mind. Obviously, because it's a DSP, we've completely tuned the car and it sounds phenomenal. It's getting collected in the morning. I have no doubt the owner's gonna love how this car sounds. Complete stock looking system, but sounds phenomenal. The amplifier is a little bit more power hungry than some of the other match amplifiers. So if you are going to be putting one in, you need to run a cable in direct from the battery. Another thing I just wanted to point out is we had a Lamborghini Huracan in not long ago where the audio system was upgraded by another car audio shop. I'm not going to mention any names. Pretty well respected, I think. However, they drilled a hole to get their cable through the bulkhead. And it was all right bodged the way they did it. But anyway, the way we do it, we use a standard entry point. We've got a lovely path straight through from the battery, which is in the front, to the amplifier, which we've built a special bracket for and mounted behind the seats. All gone in, it's all tuned. The car sounds phenomenal. It sounds really, really, really good. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go into the car and I'm gonna put on my binaural microphones, which should hopefully show you what this car sounds like. But in order for you to experience it, you can't just be watching it on your phone or your tablet. You've got to stick some headphones in. So I'll go in a car and I'll count you in, and at that point you've got to put headphones in, and hopefully it should give you a feeling of what this car actually sounds like. So let's go. So guys, we're in this Lamborghini now. I've got my binaural headphones in. So I'm going to count 3, 2, 1, and at that point you need to make sure you have your headphones in, and then I'll spin the camera around so you can sort of, hopefully it represents what I'm looking at, and hopefully you'll get a feel and sound, get a feel of what I'm actually listening to in here. I can only play copyright-free music because you know, the algorithm, the YouTube system will pick up if I don't, and I'll get a marker. So turn the camera around. So 3, 2, 1.
Let's go, feel the beat, let's show. Feet hit ground so fast, getting lost in the blast. Heart rate on the rise, rhythm in the skies. Breathe in, sink in, flow. Miles tick by, we glow. Keep on running, feel the power. Every second, every hour. Keep on running, feel the beat. Racing rhythm on repeat.
Guys, I'm sorry, that's probably the best I can do. This is, like I said, a last minute thing. I just thought I'd quickly do it. So I've played a few little tracks there. I don't even know if this is going to work. You know, I'll be honest, I was trying to look at the clipping meter just to see if it was clipping, and I think it was clipping a little bit, but I don't know. We've just got this set up, so I'm just playing with it at the moment. Hopefully, if it's worked and I've put it in the video, then it gives you a little feel of what this car sounds like. Sorry, let me take this out. Hear myself. It gives you a feel of what this car sounds like, but trust me, it sounds absolutely awesome. We are gonna probably be having a Cars and Coffee meet here sometime this year, 2026, we're planning on. So if we do, we'll put it out there, you know, and some of these cars will be coming if we do have one. So it will give you guys the opportunity to come and listen to some of these cars. So hopefully somebody finds this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video. If anybody's got any questions, feel free to ask. If you've got a Lamborghini or any car, we sometimes get people who message us or ring us with just, I mean, I don't know what is a normal car, but you know, we'll get people called with, I don't know, a Golf or whatever, and they'll say, oh, do you also do Golfs? We do everything. Just because we do a lot of videos on supercars and our social media, you see a lot of supercars, we work on pretty much everything. So, you know, that's done. The next car, which is having an audio upgrade, is parked up over there. I'm not going to show you. It's a very nice car. That's the next one. So the next job is already waiting. We're starting that in the morning. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please click like, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.